Alright, so this is a quick little video on just how to repair a wire that maybe broke or corroded with the insulated butt connector. So all I have is my wire crimpers, my wire strippers, my torch, the butt connector I'm using, and the wire I have for demonstration purposes for this video. I've had people ask me a more in-depth explanation of this, so here you go. So just strip the wire about 3/8 of an inch or so from the wire with the wire strippers and just take that off and make sure you got the right size butt connector for the right size wire. This blue one takes about 16 to 14 gauge. The red ones are smaller and the yellow ones a little bit bigger for bigger wire gauges. Use the insulated side of this wire crimper, not the bare side because it will pierce the insulation and then it will just corrode over time anyway. So just give it a good crimp and give it a good tug test so you know at least this side is good before you crimp the other side. Now put the other side into it if you're repairing a harness or even just putting wires together. Make sure it fits and there's enough wire to go into the connector and just give the other side a good crimp. And make sure it is on the insulated portion using this specific butt connector. So give it a good tug test and it seems to be perfectly fine. So I personally use a torch for years actually. I don't really use a heat gun. You can use a heat gun just so you don't burn the insulation if you're not used to it. But all you're doing is making sure the glue and adhesive comes out from the middle to the ends, and you'll see it fill up and wrap tightly around the wire as you heat it up more. And I'll show you here as the ends have glue just coming out of them, or the adhesive, so you know it's perfectly sealed for any moisture if you're repairing this in your car. So if you enjoyed this, follow or subscribe for more tips like this, and I hope you enjoy the video.